Okay, without the help of somebody on the camera, today we're going to fire our styer Hahn model 1912 pistol. There. And generally, with any older semi-automatic gun, I'm only going to put a couple rounds in it, test the functioning first off. And the reason you do that is for safety reasons. If anything breaks or goes wrong, you only got 2 rounds in the gun, not a loaded magazine. Alright, got one on the paper. As you remember, take our stripper clip, first lock down the slide, so then you got the slide held back, your stripper clip in, okay, and then release the slide lock. We're ready to roll. Two stoppages. Okay, let's take a look at what we got. Alright, that's shooting at about 20 yards. Kind of throwing them low and to the left. Then I kind of got them on and still a little to the left, but more on center. It's more my grip and control of the gun, but it's not too bad of a group. So let's see if we can zero in on that bullseye a little. Alright, so far we had 2 stoppages in the first 8 rounds. We're going to see if we can get on paper a little bit better. Slide down. See if the gun functions better as we go along. Stovepiping. appears there's not enough power in the reloads to cycle the action. So we're going to have to experiment. This gun here, the bullet weight and power of the cartridge has a lot to do with its functioning, and it appears that the reloads ain't strong enough to cycle it all the way back. Just twice it was cartridge in there that was fired. It didn't cycle all the way, and it was coming back and partially cycling. So the only thing that can describe is the ammunition doesn't have enough pop to it to make the gun function. So you're going to have to work on the reloads and come up with something that balances out and gives you a positive functioning.